All right. Hello, and welcome everyone to the first ever Profoundly Community Kickoff event. Before we dive into the rest of the event, a couple of housekeeping items. This event is being recorded and you may be shared. If you continue to participate, you consent to our media release agreement. If you prefer not to be recorded, please turn off your camera and avoid speaking. Please mute yourself. This does help us to minimize background noise so we can all stay focused. We will be using Zoom's breakout rooms to track each session. Please be punctual in shifting to and from rooms during each breakout session. This will smooth out the experience for everyone. Please turn off your camera. We want to keep the bandwidth optimized so everyone has the best experience possible. All chat for the event is happening in the Profoundly community. If you haven't already, head over to the O4 Kickoff 2025 channel in the Profoundly Slack. That's where the conversation is happening. So jump in and engage with the community. We have the link to Slack in the chat. Let's keep it respectful. We welcome different perspectives. And as always, we know that you'll keep the conversation positive and constructive. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Cameron Collins. I do revenue operations in the HubSpot ecosystem, and I serve as the community manager with Sprocketeer, the largest independent community for HubSpot admin. Between my podcast, where I interview community members each week, and the numerous companies that I've worked for over the many years that I've been in the HubSpot ecosystem, I've seen HubSpot transform lives in so many ways. But this event isn't about me. You're going to hear from a whole host of pros today, including Matt Bolian, George B. Thomas, Stuart Balcom, Danielle Urban, and many, many more individuals. These opening remarks are going to be a love letter, which goes out not just to HubSpot, but to you, the HubSpot community. Here's what we all know. HubSpot is great. Their motto, helping millions grow better, is a fact for millions of people, companies, and nonprofit organizations all around the globe. Versatile, powerful, scalable. Yes, those are all things that make HubSpot a great CRM, and they're words which describe the software. But the software alone isn't what makes HubSpot stand out from other companies in this space, and the software alone is not what helps millions grow better. It's the community. Built as an all-on-one platform rather than an all-in-one platform, HubSpot's community is baked into its ethos. It thrives because of you. HubSpot truly does help millions of people, company, and organizations all around the world. Admin and executives, power users and evangelists, app partners and solutions partners. No other company bleeds orange as we do. With hugs, boot camps, instructors, and so many additional resources, the HubSpot community continues to grow and thrive in ways which continue to elevate the usage of the platform. While HubSpot scaling as a company has always meant that solutions partners have been able to ride the wave of growth, it's also created a unique pocket of opportunity that's available to a special group of experts, the solo HubSpot power user. Profoundly was born out of a need for a space where HubSpot professionals can thrive. It's an ecosystem where anyone can trust that experts are going to be vetted and requests are going to be delivered. The ecosystem doesn't just need another marketplace, though. It needs more community. And that's why Profoundly and Sprocketeer are going to continue to grow closer as we help to enable all HubSpot admin across many different areas. Beyond the marketplace, we envision Profoundly and Sprocketeer to strengthen as a community through planned events, community-created resources, and support that will help both seasoned admin or new HubSpot users. Have agentic AI software which can run autonomously. The role of the HubSpot admin is more important than ever. While computers can run inputs on their own, they don't reason like we do as humans. And that's the beauty of what we do. We bridge the gap between how the software should operate and how people actually use it. The CRM is the cornerstone of any business, but it's just a software. I've long held the belief that your CRM is a product, not a project. What's the difference between project management in HubSpot versus taking a product management approach to working with the software? Project management has a goal that involves achieving your objective, whether it's creating lifecycle stages, sales goals, or other technical implementations. It's a very outcome-oriented approach, which results in achieving specific goals at the end. Product management is a mindset where we think about the user experience. How will marketing interact with the CM? How will they hand off leads to sales? What is the impact of how sales uses HubSpot and how that shows up in the way they engage with the end customer? Profoundly is bringing professionals together who have an end user mindset. This is a platform which goes beyond the technical questions where we ask, how do I? Or can you do this? We are encouraging professionals to step up and think about the human aspect of our role. It's forcing us to think about both the end user who is living in HubSpot as an employee and the end customer who is on the receiving end of the marketing, sales, and service initiatives that are built into the CRM. HubSpot is a software, but it's a software that's built for people. The human element in our role will evolve, it will change, and that's a good thing. As our roles change, we will grow and learn together as a community. Artificial intelligence won't eliminate the super admin. It will eliminate the super admin that buries their head in the sand and tries to become an expert at everything on their own. The orange wave isn't coming, it's already here. Today's event is a testament to what happens when people come together. Now I'd like to hand it over to Brian Garvey for our opening keynote. Thank you.